Hi, today I'm going to make this very pretty little bracelet. Can be used as a Lumba and very easy to make. Materials I'm using are, this is a silver colored paint spray can, and this is an oval shaped bottle or jar. These are some pips in white and yellow. A thickish wire which is fairly flexible. A pink colored pen, pink colored thin foam sheet, and green colored felt. I've cut these petal shapes. So one is a smaller size and one is slightly bigger. So I've cut 5 of each. So now just take one. So you can cut any shape that you like for a petal. So just cut a slit about 1/3 of the petal like this. Take the pen and just sort of draw lines like this. Now this is a rubber based adhesive, very strong. You can use a glue gun if you have. So now just put the ends in a cross like this and press it so it sticks, and the petal forms this kind of a shape. I have already made the others and I'll do the same thing with this one. So now I've cut out 2 leaf shapes from the green felt and a small circle from the pink foam. So with the leaf, just make tiny cuts on the edge, something like a rose leaf. It just adds interest to the leaf. Like this, and I'll do on the other side also. Then take a brown pen, and this is optional. Just draw the veins. Shade a bit like this. So I've done with the other leaf also in the same manner. So now just apply glue in the circle. Put these leaves. Then put more glue on the leaf as well. So we start with the big one. First just stick them. The glue is very sticky. Let this dry up for a while. So now take these pips. You don't need too many. Now just cut it in half, which I've already done. So apply glue. Three points. Now I'm going to take 3 of these and stick them. Like so. So now I'll just apply more glue in a circle. Now stick these smaller petals in the gap of the other ones. Like so. So after it has dried a bit, just put a ball of glue in the center, just a drop. And I've already cut these pips, the yellow colored ones. So just sort of stick them in the glue and make a pile of these. These are not of the same height. These are of different height. Like so. So I'll just fill it up. Now I've taken this golden colored glitter glue. So just apply it in the center. I didn't mention this earlier in the materials, but this is optional. Just to, add a little bit of shine in the petals. You can apply this on the leaf also if you wish. Like this. Now take the wire and just put it on the curved side of this bottle in the center. And just curve it like so, and put the next bit and curve it again, and from here also. You get a circle like this. Now from one end, just fold outwards and then slowly just curve it into a circle. like so. So it look like this. Now just bend it upwards. So first I'll just straighten it out. And then bend it again. So you get a curve like this. And on the other end also. So this side I'll have to make a slightly bigger circle. And then turn it. Should be perpendicular to the wire, so that it comes like this and hooks like this. So now just stretch this. And wear it like so. So this is how it will look. So you put it like this in order to close it. So now I'll just spray it with the silver. After it has dried, so I've cut a small circle from the foam, pink foam. So just apply glue on this. And take this and put the circle on this juncture, just leaving enough so that this loop can go through it. So you stick it like this and you take the flower and you stick it on top of it. Like so. So this is how it's going to look after it's finished. A very pretty Lumba. Can be used as a bracelet too.